southbound on the beach. This is probably about where the Excellence Club starts. Beach. I'm staying on the regular side, but didn't realize it went down this far. I'm not sure this is Excellence. This could be the Excellence Club, or it could be just more of the regular. Let's see if we, oh no, this is still the regular side. There's a lot more chairs here than I thought. We're sitting over by Las Olas, where yesterday we got chased by the rain. Here we go. This is the start of the Excellence Club Beach. So you can see a lot of seaweed. It's part of this time of year. This is late October. We were in Cancun in April, and it was probably a similar amount of seaweed. But they have the machines out. They're raking. Here comes the guy right now. So this is all Excellence Club Beach. This picture comes out steady. I have a gimbal that I've bought for my GoPro to try to make it so it's not as jittery of a picture. Let's see how it turns out. Morning. Heading towards that jetty. This is a sister property of Excellence Playa Mujeres. This is Beloved. So just a little bit south of the hotel we're staying at is another of their properties. In the other direction, by the way, this is adults only, about 100 rooms, a little bit smaller. We're about, I don't know, 400 or so. In the other direction is the sister property called Finest, and that's a family-friendly, similar in size to Excellence Playa Mujeres. I think about 400 rooms. It's just a little bit north of the property that we're at. So here's this big yacht. Back to EPM, and we're gonna walk as far as probably you can see in the distance to Secrets Playa Mujeres. It's quite a hike. It's way longer than what you can do going south towards that jetty. I'm guessing it's less than a 10-minute walk from EPM to get to that jetty, and it's got to be 3 or 4 times as far that you can walk in the other direction, heading north towards Secrets Playa Mujeres. But let's see how that turns out. I'll keep a watch on it and see how long it goes in each direction. So we just passed the Excellence Club Beach towards the regular beach here at EPM. You can see guys are out here raking. Not using a machine this morning. I'm surprised. They had a machine out earlier. But one of these guys are busting their ass getting this place cleaned up. It's playing in the surf. Very nice walk. The beach is a little bit slanted, but I think this would be an okay place to go for a run. I think you can not jack your knees up too bad walking on this or running on this kind of a slanted beach. Not too bad. It feels great. By the way, so this is late October. We're supposed to be in the mid-80s today. Partly cloudy though. So I've been walking for about 9 minutes now, and I'm guessing I'm about halfway to Secrets Playa Mujeres property. Gives you an idea of how native, beautiful this stretch of beach is. Up on Secrets Playa Mujeres. Around here. I've been walking for about 25 minutes from when I took off from EPM. This is about a 25-minute walk. So I'm going to measure the number of steps too. I'm wearing a Fitbit, so I'll check my step count right now and figure out how distance-wise, how long the walk was, and I'll check when we get back and figure out the difference. So we're back. We are at EPM. Round trip from EPM down to Secrets, about 50 minutes. And it was about 15 round trip to go to the jetty, so that was a little over an hour walk. Nice way to get some exercise in early in the morning. And we're back. Hola.